used olive oil in cooking, but I'm sure that you guys have missed out on the wonder benefits this oil has on your skin. Olive oil is simply a magical and a wonder oil and has worked wonders for several women including me. So guys, here's a quick look as to why olive oil is called the miracle oil. Today I'm going to talk about olive oil that works miracles on your skin, hair and nails and diet. Here are some beauty tips of olive oil. Tip number 1. Dandruff treatment. Treat dandruff. You can infuse rosemary into olive oil by boiling the two ingredients together and let it stay on your hair overnight. You can see that your hair looks healthy and shiny and eliminates the dandruff. Tip number 2. Get rid of dry skin. Now you can get rid of the dry skin. Olive oil is one of the best beauty oils for skincare. It is a miracle on how quickly and easily it softens the dry skin. You can even speed up the absorption by adding a little bit of aloe vera. This improves the absorption of any oil into your skin. Tip number 3. Soft hands. We need to give a lot of tender love and care and attention to our hands that work all day long. Olive oil is that magical oil that can give you soft hands instantly. Tip number 4. Removes makeup instantly. To remove makeup, use olive oil on a cotton ball and wipe your face until all the makeup is gone. Tip number 5. Shaving technique with olive oil. If you run out of shaving cream, don't waste your time trying to make do with soap. It could be rough on your skin. Olive oil is the best substitute for shaving cream. It not only makes it easier for the blade to glide over your hands or legs, but moisturizes your skin as well. I hope you guys try on your hands on this wonder oil and make your skin look simply fab. I hope you found these natural homemade tips helpful. I would love to hear from you guys, so do keep writing in. And if you liked my video, don't forget to click on the like button. And as I always say, be beautiful.